Okay, so carrying on from that, I've used the screwdrivers to remove the knob. There's actually a clip. You can use a rag and slide it in there if you can do that, but I find it's easier just to use a screwdriver. They pop off and they don't do any damage to the spindle, and yeah, so you can push it straight back on when you're finished. Now what we've got to do is remove the back pocket. So there's a couple of clips in the bottom. You have a look down here, right down the bottom there's a couple of clips. I've been lucky this one here hasn't broken, but you do get new ones anyway. Now you push down really hard on the top of the cover here and you can actually, these clips here will actually pull out, and then go to the bottom of the seat here and just give it a good old yank. There we go. And that's what the bottom looks like. Clips go into a retaining square up in there, and on that side, and that's it. And there's a couple of wires down the bottom where I look, and that one's actually just been wired on. I guess the previous owner thought that's how you fix it. Anyway, that's all I've done. Thanks.